Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show or edit tag colors in ClickUp's calendar. Whether you're managing multiple tasks, trying to organize your projects visually, or you simply want to make your calendar easier to read at a glance, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open ClickUp and navigate to your calendar view. Once you're there, locate the task that has the tag you want to show or edit. Double-click on the task to open its details. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any options. Next, look for the Tags section inside the task window. You'll see a list of tags already applied to that task, and next to each tag, there's a small three-dot icon. Click on those dots, a palette will appear. You can choose any color you like, for example, purple for one tag and blue for another. Click your desired color, and ClickUp will instantly update the tag, making it easier to visually organize your tasks on the calendar. You can repeat this process for other tags in your workspace to create a consistent color system. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your tags are meaningful and easy to identify, and try to assign colors consistently so your calendar stays clear and visually appealing. Doing this beforehand can save you time when reviewing tasks and make your planning more efficient. Once you've set the colors, close the task window and take a look at your calendar. You should now see the updated colors applied to your tags. This makes it much easier to spot priorities, categorize tasks, and quickly understand your schedule at a glance. It's also a good idea to standardize tag colors across your team, so everyone has the same visual cues. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to show or edit tag colors in ClickUp Calendar easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might want a more organized and colorful ClickUp calendar. Why not make someone's day easier?